9-minute bedtime face fix, no Botox, just natural lift. Dear friends, we've been deeply moved by the stories our viewers have shared. One woman wrote, "After 3 weeks of nightly face yoga, a stranger told me I look beautiful for the first time in years." Messages like this inspire us to keep bringing you practices that help restore your natural glow and confidence. Because when your facial muscles wake up, when your skin is nourished from within, you don't just look younger, you feel younger. Tonight, we'll guide you through 9 minutes of ancient Japanese face yoga, a simple, soothing routine to tighten your skin, melt double chin, improve circulation, and bring back a fresh, youthful radiance right before bed, right at home. Exercise 1. Tongue swing around the mouth. Sit comfortably with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Slightly open your mouth and extend your tongue outward. Slowly move the tip of your tongue in a circular motion around your lips, starting from the right corner, gliding along the upper lip, across to the left, then down along the lower lip. Do this gently for about 30 seconds, then switch direction. Though it seems simple, this move activates the muscles around your mouth, chin, and cheeks areas that naturally weaken and sag with age. The tongue's motion helps boost blood circulation, deliver more oxygen to skin cells, and strengthen the lower facial muscles. Japanese beauty experts describe it as an internal massage that tones the jawline, reduces double chin, lifts the corners of your mouth, and enhances natural facial balance. When practiced nightly, it can help your face feel lighter, your skin look brighter, and your smile appear effortlessly youthful. Exercise 2. Ear massage. Activate energy and slim the face. In traditional Japanese wellness, the ears are seen as a mini map of the entire body. Each ear contains dozens of pressure points connected to internal organs, and when stimulated, they help improve blood circulation, promote detoxification, and reduce facial puffiness. That's why ear massage not only relaxes you, but also makes your face look slimmer and more radiant. Sit up straight, relax your shoulders and neck. Place both hands on your ears, thumbs behind, and fingers in front. Gently rotate and roll the ears in small circles for 20-30 seconds. Then, use your thumb and index finger to lightly pull the ears upward, outward, and downward about 3 times in each direction. Finally, rub the earlobes gently with your fingertips for about 15 seconds to warm the area. This simple motion improves circulation around the ears, jawline, and cheeks. It helps reduce fluid retention edema, one of the main causes of puffiness, and the warmth generated activates lymphatic drainage, releasing tension and toxins from facial tissues. Japanese skin therapists note that just 1 or 2 minutes of nightly ear massage nourishes the skin from within, refines facial contours, and relieves fatigue from your face. It's a perfect way to begin or end your face yoga routine before bed. Exercise 3. Power tongue lift. This exercise is one of the most effective ways to tighten the jawline and neck area while reducing double chin. Japanese face yoga experts call it a natural facelift stretch because it activates key muscles, the platysma and digastric, which tend to weaken with age, leading to sagging and fat accumulation under the chin. Sit or stand tall with relaxed shoulders. Gently tilt your head back, slightly open your mouth, and stretch your tongue upward toward the ceiling as far as you comfortably can. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds, feeling the gentle pull along your neck and jawline. Then relax, take a deep breath, and repeat 5 to 8 times. For added benefit, direct your gaze upward along with your tongue, focusing on the tightening sensation beneath your chin. With consistent practice, this movement tones the neck muscles, reduces fat deposits, and helps define a sharper, more youthful jawline. Facial physiotherapists also note that the power tongue lift stimulates lymphatic flow in the neck area, helping release toxins and reduce puffiness. Just a few minutes each night can make your neck feel firmer, your skin tighter, and your face appear more balanced and refined. Exercise 4, AIBA pronunciation. Firm the lips, tongue, and jaw for a brighter smile. This exercise is inspired by a Japanese face yoga articulation technique designed to activate the muscles around the mouth, cheeks, and jawline. As we age and use fewer facial expressions, these muscles weaken, causing the face to appear tired and less defined. Pronouncing AIBA with full, exaggerated movement strengthens the lips and tongue, improves skin elasticity, and enhances the natural curve of your smile. Sit upright with relaxed shoulders and neck. Clearly pronounce AIBA, holding each sound for about 2 seconds. On A, open your mouth wide, stretching your cheek and chin muscles. On I, pull the corners of your mouth outward, as if smiling broadly. On BA, stick your tongue out slightly, hold for 1-2 seconds, then gently close your mouth. Repeat the full sequence 5 to 8 times, breathing steadily. You should feel the muscles around your mouth and jaw working. That's exactly what you want. With regular practice, this exercise naturally lifts the corners of your mouth, reduces fine lines around the lips, and creates a more youthful, confident smile. Japanese facial trainers note that combining sound, breath, and movement stimulates blood flow in the cheeks, giving your skin a healthy, glowing tone. Exercise 5, alternating cheek puff. Strengthen the cheeks and balance the face. One of the clearest signs of a youthful face is firm, naturally rounded cheeks. According to Japanese facial exercise experts, the cheeks contain many small muscles that help lift the entire face. As we age or use fewer expressions, these muscles weaken, causing sagging and loss of volume. The alternating cheek puff gently reactivates those muscles, tightening the mid-face area and improving facial balance. Sit or stand tall with your lips closed. Inhale through your nose, holding the air inside your mouth. Then puff up your left cheek, pushing all the air to one side. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then shift the air to your right cheek and hold again. Repeat 10 to 12 times for each side, breathing evenly and keeping your neck relaxed. As you alternate the air between cheeks, the facial and jaw muscles repeatedly contract and expand, which boosts circulation, enhances muscle tone, and supports skin elasticity. This exercise also helps improve facial symmetry and gives your expression a livelier, more balanced look. A small Northwestern University study found that consistent facial exercise over 8 weeks increased mid-cheek muscle volume by 5 to 10%, leading to a noticeably firmer and younger appearance, no surgery required. Practice this gentle routine each night, and you'll soon feel your cheeks coming alive again, your smile brighter, and your face naturally rejuvenated. Exercise 6, shoulder roll stretch. Release tension and lift the entire face. Few people realize that a sagging face often starts with tight shoulders. When the neck and shoulder muscles are tense from sitting long hours, looking down at screens, or stress blood flow to the head and face decreases, the result is dull skin, poor elasticity, and facial sagging. The shoulder roll stretch helps open the chest, boost circulation to the face, and relieve stiffness around the neck and shoulders. Sit or stand tall with a relaxed neck. Place your fingertips gently on your shoulders. Inhale deeply and roll your shoulders backward in wide circles, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. Then exhale as you lower them down. Move slowly and smoothly, 10-15 times in one direction, then reverse. Keep your neck aligned and your chin slightly tucked to avoid strain. This motion increases blood and oxygen flow to the neck, jaw, and cheeks, nourishing the skin from within. It also opens the chest and improves posture, which naturally makes your face look more open, lifted, and confident. Japanese facial therapists note that this simple stretch also releases neck and shoulder tension, softening your facial expression and reducing visible fatigue. Just a few minutes before bed can leave your head feeling lighter, your skin brighter, and your face gently lifted, all from the power of posture and breath. Exercise 7 Tongue Detox Stretch. Release tension and purify facial energy. This exercise originates from traditional Japanese and Indian yoga, known as Simhasana or lion pose. Its purpose is to release tension from the face, jaw, and throat while stimulating blood and lymph flow to help the skin naturally detoxify. Many practitioners call it a facial reset breath because just a few rounds can make your face feel lighter, refreshed, and completely relaxed. How to do it? Sit tall with relaxed shoulders. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs. As you exhale, open your mouth wide, stick your tongue out fully, and point it downward toward your chin, while opening your eyes wide as if letting go of all stress. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax and inhale slowly. Repeat 5 to 7 times. This move powerfully activates the platysma muscle that runs along the neck and jawline, helping tighten the neck, reduce jaw tension, and boost oxygen and circulation to the face. The strong exhalation and extended movement also stimulate lymphatic drainage, aiding in toxin removal and reducing puffiness in the cheeks and chin. Facial and breathwork specialists note that this stretch not only leaves the face firmer and more radiant, but also helps release emotional stress accumulated throughout the day. It's the perfect way to end your nightly face yoga session, calming your mind and preparing you for deep, restful sleep. Exercise 8 Lip Press Massage. Smooth smile lines and firm the mouth area. The area around the mouth is one of the first to show signs of aging. When lip muscles weaken and blood circulation slows, smile lines deepen, fine wrinkles form, and the corners of the mouth start to droop. The lip press massage helps strengthen the orbicularis oris muscle, improving firmness, elasticity, and fullness in the lips. Sit tall with relaxed shoulders and neck. Close your mouth and press your upper and lower lips firmly together, making sure not to clench your teeth. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10-15 times. As you progress, increase the pressure slightly and hold each contraction for up to 10 seconds. This focused lip movement activates the surrounding facial muscles, helping boost blood flow and stimulate natural collagen production. The exercise gently lifts the nasolabial folds, softens wrinkles around the mouth, and refines the shape of your smile. Japanese face yoga experts note that consistent lip pressing also enhances lip volume naturally, giving a softer, rosier, and more youthful look. Practicing this nightly can noticeably tighten the mouth area, fade fine lines, and leave your smile looking naturally refreshed. Exercise 9. Inner tongue rotation. Tone the tongue, lift the cheeks, and define the jawline. This is one of the most comprehensive facial exercises as it engages the tongue, cheeks, jaw, and chin all at once. As the tongue moves around inside the mouth, it activates deep facial muscles, helping lift sagging cheeks, boost circulation, and strengthen the tongue, a key muscle for maintaining a firm and youthful lower face. How to do it? Close your mouth gently and relax your lips. Place the tip of your tongue against the inside of your upper gums and trace a large circular path along the inner gum line starting from the right side, across the upper lip to the left, then down along the lower teeth and back to the starting point. Perform 5 slow rotations clockwise, then reverse and do 5 counterclockwise. Breathe naturally throughout and keep your neck relaxed. This motion stretches and contracts the cheek and jaw muscles, buccinator, masseter, which helps improve elasticity, enhance lymphatic drainage, and reduce puffiness or double chin. It also refines the jawline contour, giving your face a naturally lifted and more symmetrical look. Japanese face yoga experts recommend this as a finishing move. Just 1 to 2 minutes a day can noticeably strengthen deep facial muscles, balance facial symmetry, and leave your face feeling lighter, firmer, and rejuvenated. Alongside regular face yoga, remember, a youthful face begins from within. Your skin reflects how you nourish your body and mind. Focus on a balanced diet rich in leafy greens, fresh fruits, fatty fish, nuts, and pure water. These foods provide natural collagen, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids that keep the skin firm, smooth, and glowing. At the same time, limit sugar, fried foods, and alcohol, since they promote inflammation and break down collagen. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It's nature's most powerful anti-aging therapy. Your mindset also matters. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which dulls the complexion and accelerates aging. Spend a few minutes each day breathing deeply, meditating, or simply listening to calming music to restore balance and peace. And always protect your skin from the sun. UV exposure is the leading cause of premature aging. Apply sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. After every face yoga session, wash and gently moisturize your skin to seal in hydration while circulation is still active. A youthful face isn't magic. It's the result of consistent care and daily self-love. Just 9 minutes before bed can reawaken your skin's vitality, helping you look fresher, firmer, and more confident every day. If you found today's routine helpful, please hit subscribe and share this video with your friends and loved ones, anyone who wants to discover a natural, non-invasive way to look younger and feel better. We'll keep bringing you simple, science-based techniques and self-care tips to help you stay healthy, radiant, and proud of the face that reflects your best self at any age.